Hi, welcome to the Up Homestead. I'm going to give you a tour of our new cabin. We've been in it for 24 hours, and I'll show you what's possible in 24 hours. So, before we go inside, let's start with what's out here. So, as you can see over there, that is our outdoor kitchen. Little propane burner over there, and, dishwashing station, hand washing, making coffee, anything that needs to be done. That tent is where we were sleeping before the cabin came, and we are in the process of using that as a potty room. Also have some solar lights. I'm going to be putting those up here in the rafters tonight. Be great. Very peaceful place. Almost no traffic ever. Very much looking forward to building gardens and putting in fruit trees. I think our chickens are going to go over there behind where the tent is currently. And it goes back around. It's another potty tent left by a friend. Alright, our porch is super comfortable. Nice gentle breeze out here. Have the cooler to keep some stuff cold. That's our water at the moment. We're going to be putting in rainwater catchment with a great big container to catch all the rainwater we can. We'll be putting one on the chicken coop, one on the house, and any other structures that are put up. There's a little fire pit over there. This is a solar shower. Been using it as a hand wash station, hair washing, rinsing out dishes, whatever I need. Got the solar lantern we're charging up. Got another one up here. They're super bright, super effective. But what you've been waiting for, let's see inside. This place is great. We're super happy with it. Just give you a quick once over. And we actually got it from Lot of Faith. It's in Tennessee. It's called the Kentucky Cabin, 12 by 24. Really got a really good deal on it. I'm a big fan of these transom windows. They let in a lot of natural light. So I'll start right at the door. We just brought a storage unit. We haven't moved in here full time yet, but when we do, we'll have probably more stuff. Trying to downsize, it's definitely a process. We have the air conditioner because we have a generator out back. We'll be putting in solar panels, but they're not in yet. They have been ordered, and we have talked to them about them, so they're coming. But right now we have a generator. Have a table, which will eventually have chairs that are still home in New York. Haven't made it back. We're using this table here is our kitchen counter for the time being, and then just storage under the table. We put in this new floor yesterday. I couldn't be happier with this floor. This is one piece of linoleum. They cut it to size and we rolled it out, and it's just free floating. So when we put up the walls and quarter round, it'll lock the floor into place. So that's exciting. I think it looks great. So right now we have just a suitcase here, but eventually there'll be a dresser, probably a nightstand. Borrowed an air mattress from a friend, so eventually that'll be a regular bed. Got a little card table, having some friends coming over tonight for dinner. Check out the new cabin. It'll be fun. Little coat rack, place to hang your pots and pans. Yeah, overall, I think the place has come along for 24 hours. Think about how much work we think all of this is going to be, when in reality, you can start with a little bit at a time. It took us maybe an hour to pick out this floor and to have her cut it, and then we just rolled it out. Now we have a floor. Next will be the walls, and I'll take you guys along on the journey with us. So just start following our channel and Up Homestead, and you'll be seeing all kinds of cool stuff. Next we'll be popping up a chicken coop, putting in raised beds, fruit trees. I can cover canning, seed saving, all different types of self-sufficient type stuff. And it's very doable. I'm going to show you how to set up an easy greenhouse, an easy chicken coop, raised garden beds, and get to making as much of your food and create your own independence as possible. All right, talk to y'all soon. Bye.